As part of our build quality experience, every completed home goes through our own quality assurance review and final inspection. Once we confirm completion, you and your construction manager will have your pre-closing orientation, the third meeting of our build quality experience. This is one of the last steps before move-in, typically occurring 1 or 2 weeks before closing. During this meeting, your construction manager will review the exterior and interior features and finishes of your new home. You'll go through every room, learning about the products in and functionality of your home, maintenance that will be required, and the warranty coverage that we provide. To give you the peace of mind that everything is just the way you expect it to be, we'll have you confirm that your selected options are correct and meet your expectations. Your construction manager will document any concerns that you may have, and we will strive to resolve those items before your build quality celebration. We care about your satisfaction, and we look forward to welcoming you home at the build quality celebration.